colors on. 2, 1, jump!
My name is Peter Salzmann and flying is my life. The idea for this project came up there in the mountains, where I found a new jump that was not possible for a common wingsuit. So I began dreaming of how to fly further or even gain altitude again. As early as I remember, I started jumping, first off the balcony and the rooftop of my parents' house. This led me to become a stuntman, a skydiver and then a base jumper. Eventually this progression brought me to wingsuiting. It should be functional and future-proofed. Could it be electric? I got in contact with the people from BMW and it clicked right away. Electrical engineers, material experts and advanced facilities. The forefront in electric mobility. It was light, it was compact, it was everything I wanted it to be. Now we had to test it. We took it to Stockholm, to the only wingsuit wind tunnel. And I will never forget the feeling when we realized it would work. I turned my eyes back to my home country of Austria. And there we found the three brothers. 3 mountains, 2 in the same height and 1 taller. I will fly low over the first, then use the impeller to boost over the third. After many years of planning, this was the moment.